Airbus has delivered the first A400M military transport aircraft to the Ministry of Defense of Kazakhstan. The aircraft, factory number MSN 139, was received by the Minister of Defense of Kazakhstan, General Ruslan Dzhaksilykov. Kazakhstan signed a contract with Airbus for two A400M multi-purpose military transport aircraft in September 2021. The first aircraft entered the Airbus testing process in April 2023 and successfully completed the process. The supplied aircraft will be used for military equipment transportation, humanitarian aid and civilian missions with its large cabin capacity. The aircraft will facilitate access to remote areas and provide rapid operational capabilities over long distances. The delivery includes a comprehensive service package for aircraft maintenance support and crew training. In addition, a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) signed between Airbus and Kazakhstan is planned to establish a local maintenance center for C-295 aircraft. This cooperation includes steps to enhance maintenance and repair activities in the region. Kazakhstan has become the 9th country to add A400M aircraft to its inventory. Previously preferred by Turkey, Germany, France, the United Kingdom, Spain, Belgium, Malaysia and Luxembourg, the aircraft offers effective solutions for both military and civilian missions.